following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch now in effect from Thursday evening through late Friday night. The flood watch is now in effect for flood watch for portions of Delaware, much of New Jersey, southeast Pennsylvania along the tidal Delaware River, and northeast Maryland. From Thursday evening through late Friday night, widespread rainfall of 1.5 to 2.5 inches with locally higher amounts. Heavy rain will result in flooding of roadways and areas of poor drainage. There is the potential for significant river training of thunderstorms could lead to localized flash flooding. In addition to the freshwater flooding, the combination of heavy rain and increased tide levels during the times of high tide Thursday night through Friday morning will result in widespread moderate to locally major coastal flooding along the Atlantic, Delaware Bay, the tidal Delaware River, and the eastern shores of the Chesapeake Bay. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. The following is a non-precipitation